is July 28th, and I'm about to drive to go pick up my new puppy. She's a first generation petite golden doodle. She's gonna be 20 to 30 pounds full grown. Her name is Winnie. I'm on my way to go pick up Grant right now, and then we're gonna get on the road. Then once we pick up Winnie, we're gonna drive back home, and she's gonna get to meet Emma's dog, Lily, which is gonna be really fun for her to see our new house, see where she's gonna live. Emma and I are best friends, so I feel like our dogs will probably be best friends too. I'm gonna be picking between 2 female puppies. I think if I'm nervous about anything, I'm nervous about like selecting Winnie. I mean, I know that both of them are gonna be great dogs. I think it's gonna be kind of hard for me to pick one.
2 hours later.
We are about 5 minutes away from where Winnie is. We're sitting in some parking lot waiting for the breeder to tell us that it's okay to come over. So yeah, I'm very excited. Grant's gonna try to video us picking the dog, so we'll see if we get that. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
The people before you were having a really hard time.
Really?
Yeah. So they were probably I was about to fall over. She fall asleep. But they were running around in the front yard for probably about 30 minutes.
Really?
Yeah. So they're a little pooped out right now.
Do you know like anything about their different personalities? Like, are they like?
This one is more laid back. This one is more playful. The smaller one, she likes to eat toes. She's oral.
I would like to introduce you to Winnie Bear Hurlick. Thanks, Mom, for taking the middle name. This is my little Winnie. Let's go. Lily. Okay. Hey.
Okay, be nice. Be nice.
Oh, she peed.
Good girl. She's probably freaked out.
What do you think?
Oh, she's so fitting. Good girl, Winnie. You know dog things. Good girl.
The end of the day now, and Winnie is currently inside of my desk sleeping. She was on her bed and then traveled into the desk. So today went a lot better than I thought it would. Not that I thought it was gonna go bad. Seeing her in person after only getting photos, it was completely different. Getting to know her personality, watching her like get more comfortable at our house, it was just like a really great day. I don't know, it couldn't have gone better. We had a few accidents in the house, but but that's gonna happen for a while, so I'm just gonna get used to that. I've learned that she really likes chewing on plastic water bottles. She's just a really good puppy. I just feel so blessed that I was able to get her and make this happen for myself. Looking back at the footage, I'm so happy that I took as many videos as possible today. This was just such a really cool day and something that I always want to remember.